good evening, everyone. This is Bharat Gupta. Today we have the most esteemed dignitary from Srinath Institute of Pharmacy, Dr. R.S. Bhadoria. Very warm welcome, sir.
Thank you very much.
Hi, sir. Sir, initially, I would like a few words from your end about a brief of your profile for our listeners.
Bharat, I did my diploma in pharmacy year 1996 from my native place, Gwalior. So I started my journey with pharmacy year 1996. Then I have completed my diploma. Then after I went to Indian Army. Then after coming back from Indian Army, then I rejoined pharmacy as year 2000. I did my graduation 2003.
Okay.
Then after I started my PG from Lachu Memorial College of Science and Technology, Jodhpur. 2005 year ending, I did my PG. Then I started first job in Srinath Institute of Pharmacy as a lecturer. That time lecturer word was very famous. Now it is converted in associate professor and assistant professor. Okay. So last 16 years, I here one place, one institute, Srinath Institute of Pharmacy, and in between I did my PhD in 2013. So this is my journey of education plus academicians.
That's a great thing, sir. Serving for the Indian Army and then coming back to the roots so that we can serve the nation as well.
We have all experience. And now present days I am president of APP, Association of Pharmacy Professional.
Wow.
Rajasthan State Branch, and core member of APTI Rajasthan State Branch.
Wow.
And here I am academic principal, Srinath Institute of Pharmacy, and we run diploma, degree, PG in 2 branches, pharmaceutical chemistry and pharmaceutics, and research center also by government university, Rajasthan University of Health Science.
So that's quite a brief. That's quite a role you are heading. So that's a very great thing. So sir, I would like to ask you that being the principal of Srinath Institute of Pharmacy, what is your philosophy of leadership? How would you describe your leadership style?
Nothing very high. It is very simple. Being a principal, I believe to find innovative ways to provide professional development for teachers. As a leader of institute, I try to meet the challenge of educating today's student. When professional development is of high quality, it can provide principals and teachers with the knowledge and skill needed to meet these challenges. And India is a democratic country, and I believe in democracy, so I follow the democratic style. Just simply, democratic leaders are more likely to ask, what do you want? See, if you ask to anybody, what do you want, they will express ourselves more easily. So they share information with employees about anything that affect their work, responsibilities. They also seek employees' opinion before approving of any final decision. So this is my means leadership style, nothing else.
That's a great leadership style by asking what do you want and providing the team with that. That's a very great thing, sir. Sir, but you know that the education system in India and other foreign countries is structured very differently. In your experience, what will an inbound student, a student which is willing to join the university to go into pharmacy courses, so what will he gain from studying in Srinath Institute of Pharmacy?
See, here I am taking this India and foreign education system as an opportunity in India better than the foreign countries' education system. because India education system has conquered a strong position in international circuit. India is a popular destination for higher education among foreign students as the country has an unparalleled variety of academic courses. You know, a large number of students fly to India every year from all of the globe to satisfy their desire for learning more. A student in India, the second largest higher education network in the world, as in this experience in itself. So visit India and be a part of education system and lives on the value of quality, growth, and truthfulness. Because our education system having a very good backbone system. We covered all the streams in one courses, and we prepared a good student as a leadership, as a academicians, as a scientist. Because India's teacher is a very hardworking teachers. They learn their student is truly hard basis, update the knowledge. And we in India we believe also theoretical knowledge as well as practical knowledge. So our Indian system is great for education point of view of education system other than the country.
That's a very great thing. That's a very great thing for the students that they are developed as all around. They are developing all of the skills at one go with the universities instead of reaching out for different degrees and all. That's a very great thing.
Now our education system also reframed.
Right.
Last 5 years, you can opt any subject in any streams. You do what you want in between your courses. So our education structure is very strong.
So how do you strategize the key programs and the plans for marketing and administration of the institute?
See, because this year is going to in lockdown,
right.
And we learned from a lot of things in this lockdown. And first time we conduct online classes.
Right.
Because we are very traditional chalk and board system, and we enjoy it. But when we taking online classes, we having more problems, because students are belong to rural places where connectivity is not proper. So they also complain, sir, connectivity nahi aa raha, so what we do? So we have lot of problem. But in today's scenario, where more and more people prefer digital medium over traditional one. So digital marketing is become more dominant and prominent in persuading the target groups. Mobile optimization is the first and foremost strategy of higher education system. So we learn lot of more traditional ones की बजाय हम digital marketing पे बहुत focus करें. It is beneficial for us. Definitely. This is my personal experience.
This is actually very true. This is something which is going on because all of the students are on the digital platform. They're using it anyways.
Yes.
It's a very good thing that you are reaching them through the digital medium, so that even the students who enroll in the college, they are also they are not technologically challenged, if we say.
Yeah. See, in pharmacy, basically there is no any technology involved. Only we deliver medicines only. So this is the part for us is very good. We deliver in technology also.
Right. It's again helping them develop all around their all around skills.
Yes.
Sir, any insights into how your institute could be more welcoming to the students of different races and economic backgrounds?
Yes. As human, we are relations. Children, adults desire to connect with those they trust. Today, create culturally inclusive classroom communities. Both teachers and the student build relationship with each other. Students are motivated by teachers and they respect those teachers who give their knowledge and extracurricular activities. So teachers show genuine care and concern for students by holding them accountability and by the knowledge their good work. So this is mainly attachment teachers and the students. This is
That's a very great thing. That the more the teachers interact with each and every student,
Every
be
student.
it of any race or economic background, they are they always feel welcomed over at the institution. And that's a very great thing. So, what according to you should be the top priority for Srinathji College of Pharmacy over next 5 years?
Top priority will be student development first priority. Quality of education system, quality of teaching and learning system. But out of these, research is the main target of all priorities for our students. So our teachers and students regularly publish their publications in reputed journals, magazines, and we go through patents. We file 2 patents for our student and teachers under the name of Srinathji Institute of Pharmacy. So this is our trying to increase the research and more research.
That's a very great thing because most of the institutes, those who support researches, have already reached the top, and they are developing more. That is a very great thing, developing a research mindset in the students. So, if I may know, what are the greatest strengths of Srinathji Institute of Pharmacy?
My background is army background, so I believe in discipline, and discipline is the most important strength of our institute. This is very clear. If you are not in discipline, then you will kick out from this system. If you are in discipline and you obey the order, so you build up your relation between your teachers, between your students, and students each other, teachers each other, but all are in discipline. Punctuality.
That's a very great thing, as you rightly mentioned. Discipline is something which is is the most important part of the education, and that's a very great thing that it is one of the strengths of the institute, that they are being provided. So basically, they are being developed as a good citizens for the country. What is your approach to make a healthy environment for the students in the institute?
Healthy environment for a student in classroom, basically, and labs. Because in our education system, half theory and half practical. Means you do 3 hours, you're taking 3 hours lecture and 3 hours practical. So you maintain both lab and reading room. So first be sure the classroom is clean, orderly and inviting. Look at your classroom and ask yourself if it is a place is distracting or a place that encouraging student to their best in simply way. If you feel that, okay, encourage the student, then you will enjoy the teaching, and the student also enjoying the teaching. Make it easy to supervise your student, and sometimes ask a student to write on the board for you. It encourages the student to be directly involved. It helps them develop to basic skills, writing so that other can read what they write. And most importantly, it will save your work and allow you to keep your face for the students. Organize the physical space for your classroom for movement and interaction. This is main thing that I believe.
That's very great.
Make it safe.
All of this brings positivity in a classroom, which makes
Yes.
it easier, better for the students to learn.
And make it safe for students to participate and ask the question, no matter what a student says. Because hesitation is the main problem. Today we face lots of problem. One problem is the hesitations. A student came from rural areas and they are not saying anything. They are not interact both direction. So we tell the student, you just refuse their hesitation. मतलब वो बोलते ना कि एक बेबाकी से अपनी बात रखो, स्टैंड कुछ भी हो, बट यू शुड take any stand, and model respect of your student, and teach them to show respect for one another.
Indeed, sir. I agree with you that confidence is one of the things which is lacking in most of the students, and that's a very good thing.
Yes,
that
yes.
You being from an army background, who can be a better teacher of building up confidence in a student. So, may I know what are the biggest challenges you see both for higher education as well as for the Shinachi Institute of Pharmacy?
See, biggest challenge is quality. Increase the number of the institute day by day in the main causes of bad impact of the quality of the education system. So we focus on our quality education system. We give the quality education to our student. So they are not one part of crowds. They are separately identified that the student is passing from the Shinachi Institute of Pharmacy, and they getting good job, and they build the nation. This is a simple.
That's a very great thing. Developing students in a way they are identified in a crowd of thousands, and that's something which every student looks for when he passes out from a college, and that's a very great thing that you are inculcating that in your students. So, may I know what's the future scope of doing pharmacy courses from the institution?
SIP attracts students from far and wide. The institute adhere to a quality measures in terms of imparting education in our students. And वो जिसको बोलते हैं ना सर्वांगीण विकास करना, means from all over sides we develop our students. This is main focus for.
That's a very great thing again. Basically developing best pharmacists from the university institute, and then
Yes.
again with the best skills in the market. So, any suggestions would you like to give to the current youth, the aspiring youth?
Do hard work with honesty, punctuality, and you work hard only 4 years with your graduation time. You will enjoy 40 years. If you are not doing hard work in 4 years, you will suffer 40 years. This is the key mantra of any success. You just do hard work with punctuality and honesty, because in a man, everybody, in every human beings having 3 qualities: honesty, punctuality, and hard working. If you lose anything in these 3, one of them, then you will lose your life. With positive attitude towards the direction, catch the opportunities, catch the goals, and enjoy the life.
That's a very great thing, because punctuality comes from from discipline, and as we discussed that in SIP you are already but basically developing discipline as a skill for the students. That's a very great thing, sir. So thank you for your time. Thank you for being with us today. Thank you for guiding the aspiring youth of the country.
Thank you so much for inviting me, and best of luck. Thank you.